Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. It's George here, and well, the Jeep got in a car accident, so I'll talk a little piece with you guys about what happened here. But first and foremost, everyone was okay. That's the most important part. I'm okay. The Jeep's okay for the most part. The other person's vehicle, unfortunately, is most likely totaled, but the other person did seem to be okay. They did go away in the ambulance, but they were on the fence about it, and she was mostly just to get checked out to make sure she was okay. She was an older lady, so that's that. Now, what happened in the car accident? So I'm on my way back from school. I was going down a straight passage. I had the right of way. This woman, I'm just gonna say, she probably thought she could make the turn and couldn't make the turn. I attempted to slow down, to which didn't work out in my favor. So, damage we got going on is the JCR bumper is, I mean, it held up fairly well. I don't think I sustained any frame damage. I don't know how well you guys can see here, but the frame horns look to be pretty straight, and that's the only thing I'm very concerned about right now when it comes to frame damage. If the frame horns are straight, I'm probably okay. The bumper kind of welted in a little bit here. Realistically, I'm probably just gonna get a new bumper, but it did its job. It kept me safe, it kept the Jeep safe, and for that I'm eternally grateful, because realistically, if this car accident happened in any other way, this is her paint. If I didn't have this bumper, it's my entire grill front end to be pushed in, all the crumple zones, so that's I'm very happy with the way that worked out. Fender, well, good thing I said I was getting new fenders, huh? So this is actually the second fender I've had for this Jeep in this spot. So I'm gonna have to pull this off within the next couple days. There's gonna be a video on that, and I'm gonna need to make sure that the fender mounts are intact. And if the fender mounts are intact, I'm all good. I'll probably throw JCR fenders on, and if they're not, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna need to do to put the JCR fenders on. Because right now this fender has absolutely no, it's hanging there. It's got no structural rigidity whatsoever, so I have to figure out a way to mount that guy up. Other than that, the Jeep drove away. It didn't get towed. It seems to be fine to me. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna need to nuts and bolts everything in the front end and really check everything out. The alignment's probably trashed, but that's not a big deal. Realistically, at the end of the day, at least everyone was okay. It looks like my Baja Design lights survived. The powder coating on this D-ring got jacked up, but that's okay. That can get redone. It's my Factor 55 Fairlead got butched up a little bit, but realistically, there's nothing wrong with that minus the finish. I'm a perfectionist, so I'll probably buy a new one, but either way, I wouldn't need to. That probably is going to function just the same as it would normally, because nothing seems marred up, so nothing would damage that winch rope. Well, it's really unfortunate to see the Jeep this way. Like you guys can see, I still have glass from their window on the hood of the Jeep. I need to, hopefully it doesn't freeze too much tonight. I can get all that cleaned up. Other than that, realistically, at least everyone's okay. That's what matters. So I don't know. I guess that's it, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. The Jeep content's not going anywhere, I think. I'll probably still get this appraised by the insurance company, being that it wasn't my fault, and it'll be free money for mods. I didn't say that. Yeah, that's where I'm at. So, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It's really depressing looking. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys have a better day than I did. Oh, I'm probably going to put this video up today as you're seeing this. And I shot a video this weekend with John. I was going to put that up today, but now I'm just, this is going up first. I'll put that up as the next video, probably in a couple days, and I have another video to shoot after that. But with all that, guys, I will see you soon. Peace.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good